Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Real Life English Podcast, the place where learning English feels natural, practical, and fun. I'm your host, Sophia.
And I'm Daniel. We are so happy you're here with us today. If you want to speak real English, the English people actually use, then you are definitely in the right place.
Absolutely. And today we have a super useful topic, something everyone needs at some point.
Definitely, because today we're having a party.
Yes, today's topic is how to welcome guests to a party in English using real conversations, natural phrases, and expressions that will make you sound confident and friendly.
If you've ever wondered what to say when someone rings the doorbell, or what to say when you greet your guests, or even how to sound polite while asking them to take off their shoes, we've got you covered.
You'll learn phrases for greeting guests, offering drinks, helping with coats, showing them around the house, introducing people, and creating a warm atmosphere.
And we're going to include lots of extra examples that you can use for dinner parties, birthday parties, holiday gatherings, small house parties, and even professional events.
We want you to feel 100% confident the next time you invite people over.
Exactly. But before we jump in, we have a small request.
If you enjoy learning English with real conversations,
then make sure to click the like button.
and subscribe to the Real Life English Podcast so you never miss an episode.
We upload new English lessons every week, and each one helps you speak more naturally, more confidently, and more fluently.
And don't forget to share this episode with someone who loves hosting parties or wants to improve their English.
All right, Sophia, shall we begin?
Let's do it. Okay, Daniel, imagine it is Saturday evening. Your house is clean, your food is ready, and the music is playing softly in the background.
Nice. I'm imagining it. Everything is perfect. I'm wearing a clean shirt. I even lit a candle to make the room smell good.
Wow, fancy. And suddenly,
Ding dong.
the doorbell rings. Your first guest has arrived. Now, what do you say when you open the door?
Hey, I'm so glad you're here.
This is one of my favorites because it sounds warm, friendly, and natural.
Exactly. It's better than just saying hi. It shows emotion. It makes the guest feel welcome immediately.
Examples. Hey, I'm so glad you're here.
Hi, I'm really happy you made it.
It's so good to see you.
These phrases show that you are excited to see the person, and everyone loves feeling appreciated.
Come on in. When you open the door, you don't want your guests standing outside, right?
No, unless you want to be a dramatic movie character.
Exactly. So the most natural way to invite someone into your home is, come on in. Please come in. Make yourself comfortable.
Come on in is casual and friendly. Please come in is polite and neutral. Both are great.
Let me take your coat.
This is polite and helpful.
Variations. Let me take your coat for you. Can I take that for you? You can put your bag over here.
Simple, kind, easy. Phrase 4. Politely asking guests to remove their shoes.
This can be tricky. You don't want to sound rude.
Right, so here are polite ways. Would you mind taking off your shoes? We usually leave our shoes by the door. If you don't mind, we take shoes off inside.
Friendly, gentle, respectful.
Section 3. Offering drinks.
Now the most important moment.
Drinks.
Every guest expects the host to offer a drink. It's part of being welcoming.
Phrase 5. Can I get you something to drink?
Variations. What would you like to drink? Can I get you water, juice, soda, tea, or coffee?
We have lemonade, iced tea, and soft drinks. What would you prefer?
When you give options, it's easier for the guest to choose.
Phrase 6. Have yourself. If you're busy in the kitchen, you can let guests serve themselves. Examples. Feel free to have yourself to a drink. Drinks are on the counter. Have yourself. Please make yourself at home.
This makes guests feel relaxed, like they are part of the family.
Some guests are shy to ask about the bathroom or where to put their things, so a good host gives a tiny tour.
Let me show you around.
The bathroom is down the hall on the right. The kitchen is here, and the living room is over there. You can leave your things in this room.
This removes awkwardness and makes people comfortable.
Section 5. Introducing people.
So now is where many people get nervous, introducing guests to each other.
Have you met? Daniel, have you met Sarah?
Sophia, this is Kevin. Kevin, this is Sophia.
Simple, classic, natural.
Section 6. Creating the right atmosphere.
Music, lighting, temperature, these are small but important.
Make yourself at home.
This is the golden phrase. It tells guests they can relax.
Variations.
Please relax and enjoy.
Sit wherever you like.
Feel free to get comfortable.
Section 7. Reviewing the steps.
Okay, let's review what we've learned so far.
Step 1. Open the door with a warm greeting.
Step 2, invite them inside.
Step 3. Help with coats.
Step 4, offer drinks.
Step 5. Show them around.
Step 6, introduce people.
Step 7. Create the comfortable atmosphere.
Perfect. And when the party's over, thanks so much for coming. Examples. I had a great time.
Get home safe.
Let's do this again soon.
These closing lines leave a positive final impression.
Welcome back, everyone, to the Real Life English podcast. If you listened to part 1, we started planning the perfect party, English style.
Yes, and we covered the basics: greeting guests, helping with coats, offering drinks, giving a tour of the house, introducing people, and setting the atmosphere.
But that was only the beginning. Today, in part 2, we're going deeper, much deeper. We're going to teach you advanced hosting expressions, natural conversation starters, cultural notes, common mistakes English learners make, and tons of real-life dialogue examples.
Plus, extra phrases for shy guests, early guests, late guests, guests who bring gifts, and guests who don't know anyone at the party.
By the end of part 2, you'll sound like a truly confident host in English.
Okay, section. Let's continue. What if a guest brings something? A dessert, a bottle of juice, flowers, or small gift?
You must respond politely. Many English learners don't know what to say in this moment and feel awkward, but there are easy, natural phrases.
Oh, wow, thank you. You didn't have to bring anything.
This is the most common reaction in English-speaking countries. It's polite, warm, and shows appreciation.
Variations. Thank you so much. That's really thoughtful of you.
Oh, this looks amazing. Thank you.
You're so kind. I really appreciate it.
And if they bring food or drinks, you can add, we'll definitely enjoy this.
I'll put this out for everyone.
Let me grab a plate so we can try it.
Guests love hearing that their gift will be shared.
Now, the situation every host knows well. The early guest.
Ah, yes. The one who arrives 20 minutes before the party even starts.
Exactly. The food isn't ready, you're still in the kitchen, and the candles aren't even lit yet.
Here's what to say politely and naturally. You're early. Come on in. I'm still getting things ready.
This tells the guest they are early, but you're still happy to see them. Variations. You're right on time. I'm just finishing up.
Perfect timing. I'm still preparing a few things. I'm so glad you're here. Make yourself at home while I get everything set.
Guests can help sometimes too. So if you feel comfortable, you can say, "Would you mind helping me set the table?"
Could you stir this for me?
Yes, many guests love helping. It makes them feel included.
Section 11. Handling late guests.
Now, let's talk about the opposite problem, late guests. In English culture, it's usually fine to be 5 to 10 minutes late. But if a guest is more than 30 minutes late, you can respond politely.
We're glad you made it. Come in.
This is friendly and avoids negative energy. More options. No worries at all. We're happy you're here.
I'm glad you could still join us. Come on in. We're just getting started.
And if they apologize, you can reassure them. It happens.
Traffic can be crazy. Don't worry, you're right on time for the fun part.
Section 12. More warm welcome phrases.
Here are more expressions to sound like a friendly, confident host.
Warm and friendly. Make yourself comfortable.
Grab a seat anywhere.
Treat this place like your home.
I'm so happy you're here.
Polite and gentle. Let me know if you need anything.
Please feel free to relax.
Tell me if you want to get anything to drink or eat.
For close friends, you're finally here.
Come in, come in.
The party starts now.
Some people enter a party and instantly talk to everyone.
And some people immediately go to the corner.
Exactly. So the host must help them feel comfortable.
In many cultures, guests ask, "Can I help with anything?"
In English culture, the host usually says no, unless they really need help.
"Thank you, but I think we're all good."
Thanks, but I've got it covered.
"You can relax, everything's ready."
Just enjoy. That's your job tonight.
If you do want help, you can say, "Actually, yes, could you bring out the cups?
Do you mind helping set the table?
Could you cut the bread?"
Most guests love helping. It makes them feel useful.
Section 16. Keeping conversations alive.
Let's teach listeners how to be the host who keeps conversations flowing.
Phrase 18. How's everyone doing? Or, is everything okay?
Do you need anything?
Having a good time?
This checks in with guests so they feel cared for.
Phrase 19. Let me grab you something.
Examples: let me get you more water.
Let me refill your drink.
Let me bring out more snacks.
This shows you're attentive and thoughtful.
Section 17. Food phrases. Very important.
Food is the heart of any party.
Especially if there's pizza.
Always pizza. Now, here are natural English phrases related to food.
Help yourself to the food. The food is ready. Dig in. Feel free to eat whenever you want. Snacks are on the table.
Dig in means start eating. Very casual and friendly.
Praise 21. Try this. It's really good. Variations. You have to try the pasta. It's amazing. I made this earlier. Tell me what you think.
Guests feel special when you recommend something personally.
Section 18. Music, lighting, and the party mood.
Atmosphere matters. If the lighting is too bright, the party feels like a hospital.
Too dark, and everyone feels sleepy.
Praise 22. Let me adjust the lights. Or, is the music okay? Too loud? Let me turn it up a little. I can change the playlist if you want something different.
Asking these small questions shows you care about guest comfort.
Section 19. Handling cultural differences.
People from different countries have different hosting traditions.
So here are phrases to avoid misunderstandings. Praise 23. Let me know if anything feels different from your culture. Or, tell me if you're not sure about something. If anything feels new, just ask me.
Many guests appreciate this invitation to communicate.
Hey, I'm so glad you're here. Come on in.
Hi, Daniel. Thank you for inviting me. These are for you. I brought some cookies.
Oh, wow, thank you. You didn't have to bring anything. These look delicious. Let me take your coat.
Sure, thanks.
Everyone's in the living room. Make yourself comfortable. Can I get you something to drink?
What do you have?
We've got water, soda, iced tea, and some juices.
I'll take iced tea, please.
Coming right up. Oh, and before I forget, the bathroom is down the hall on the left.
Perfect, thanks.
Later, socializing. Emma, have you met Sophia?
Not yet.
Sophia, this is Emma. Emma just moved here from Canada.
Oh, that's awesome. Welcome. How are you finding the city so far? It's been great so far. The people are super friendly. I'm glad to hear that. Make yourself at home. The snacks are on the table. Help yourself.
Later, in the kitchen. Having a good time?
Yes, it's really nice. I love the music.
Thanks. Let me know if you want me to turn it up or change the playlist.
It's perfect.
End of the night. Thank you so much for coming tonight. I'm really glad you made it.
I had a great time. Thanks for hosting.
Get home safe. We should do this again sometime. And that's a wrap for today's episode of the Real Life English Podcast. We hope you enjoyed all those party expressions and real-life phrases you can start using right away.
Remember, English gets easier when you connect it to real situations. Parties, greetings, invitations, small talk. These are everyday moments, and the more you practice, the more natural you'll sound.
If you loved this episode, don't forget to follow the podcast so you never miss future lessons.
And share this episode with a friend who wants to improve their English too. Learning together makes it more fun.
You can also send us a message and tell us which topic you want next. Maybe office English, travel English, or dating English. We always love hearing from you.
Thank you so much for listening. Keep practicing, stay confident, and keep making your English
A part of your real life.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.